Hola, hello and welcome back to Spanish Made Easy. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Emilia. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Before we begin, if you're enjoying our podcast-style Spanish lessons, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Subscribing helps us create more content like this for you, and it means you'll never miss a new episode.
You'll also find us helpful, supportive, and patient as you build your Spanish confidence. So go ahead and click that subscribe button.
Thank you so much. Now let's get started with today's lesson.
Today, we're going to focus on one of the most enjoyable and practical situations where you can use Spanish, ordering food at a restaurant.
And this is such a rewarding experience because you get to practice your Spanish while enjoying delicious food.
Exactly. And restaurants are wonderful places to practice because the staff is patient, the vocabulary is predictable, and you can take your time.
So today, we're going to walk through the entire experience, from being seated to ordering drinks, appetizers, main courses, and dessert.
We'll go slowly, we'll practice each phrase, and we'll make sure you feel confident ordering in any Spanish-speaking restaurant.
Let's start from the moment you arrive at the restaurant.
When you walk in, the host or hostess might greet you and say, Buenas tardes, ¿cuántas personas?
Buenas tardes, good afternoon or good evening. ¿Cuántas personas? How many people?
Cuántas means how many, personas means people.
¿Cuántas personas?
¿Cuántas personas?
If there are two of you, you say dos personas.
Dos personas, two people.
If there are three, tres personas.
Tres personas.
Four, cuatro personas.
Cuatro personas.
Now, you might want to request a specific type of table.
If you want a table outside, you can say, Una mesa afuera, por favor.
Una mesa afuera, a table outside. Mesa means table, afuera means outside.
Una mesa afuera, por favor.
If you want a table inside, una mesa adentro, por favor.
Adentro means inside.
Una mesa adentro.
If you want a table by the window, una mesa junto a la ventana.
Junto a la ventana means next to the window. Ventana is window.
Una mesa junto a la ventana.
The host will say, por aquí, por favor.
Por aquí, por favor. This way, please.
Por aquí.
And they'll take you to your table. Then they'll say, Aquí está su mesa.
Aquí está su mesa. Here is your table.
Aquí está su mesa.
Once you're seated, they'll give you the menu.
Aquí está el menú. Here is the menu.
El menú, the menu.
El menú.
In some restaurants, they might say, aquí está la carta.
La carta, another word for menu.
La carta.
Now, the waiter will give you a few minutes to look at the menu.
They might say, ahorita viene su mesero a atenderlos.
Ahorita viene su mesero a atenderlos. Your waiter will come to serve you shortly.
Ahorita means in a little bit. Mesero means waiter. Atenderlos means to serve you.
Or they might say, En un momento les tomo su orden.
En un momento les tomo su orden. In a moment, I'll take your order.
Now, when the waiter comes to your table, they'll greet you.
They might say, buenas tardes, ¿ya saben qué van a ordenar?
Buenas tardes. ¿Ya saben qué van a ordenar? Good afternoon. Do you already know what you're going to order?
Ya means already. Saben means you know. Que van a ordenar means what you're going to order.
¿Ya saben qué van a ordenar?
If you're not ready, you can say, todavía no. Un momento, por favor.
Todavía no. Un momento, por favor. Not yet. One moment, please.
Todavía no means not yet.
Or you can say, ¿Puede darnos unos minutos?
¿Puede darnos unos minutos? Can you give us a few minutes? Puede darnos means can you give us. Unos minutos means a few minutes.
¿Puede darnos unos minutos?
The waiter will say, claro, sin problema.
Claro, sin problema. Of course, no problem. Now, let's talk about drinks. Usually, the waiter will ask you about drinks first.
They might say, ¿Qué les puedo traer de tomar?
¿Qué les puedo traer de tomar? What can I bring you to drink?
¿Qué means what, les puedo traer means I can bring you, de tomar means to drink.
¿Qué les puedo traer de tomar?
Or they might say, algo de tomar?
¿Algo de tomar? Something to drink?
Algo de tomar?
Let's learn some common drinks you can order.
Agua, water.
Agua.
But remember, in Mexico, always order bottled water.
Agua embotellada, bottled water.
Agua embotellada.
You can say, una agua embotellada, por favor.
Or un agua, por favor.
Now, sparkling water is agua mineral.
Agua mineral, mineral water or sparkling water.
Agua mineral.
Refresco, soda or soft drink.
Refresco.
You might want to order a specific soda.
Una Coca-Cola, por favor.
Una Sprite, por favor.
Un jugo, a juice.
Un jugo de naranja, orange juice.
Un jugo de manzana, apple juice.
Cerveza, beer.
Cerveza.
Una cerveza, por favor. A beer, please.
Vino, wine.
Vino.
Vino tinto, red wine. Tinto means red.
Vino blanco, white wine.
Una copa de vino tinto, por favor. A glass of red wine, please.
Copa means glass.
Una copa de vino blanco, por favor.
Now let's practice ordering drinks.
The waiter asks, ¿Algo de tomar?
Sí, para mí, un agua mineral, por favor.
Para mí means for me.
Para mí.
This is how you specify what you want when you're ordering.
Para mí, una cerveza, por favor.
Para mí, un jugo de naranja, por favor.
Now, if you're ordering for multiple people, you can say each order separately.
The waiter asks, ¿Qué les puedo traer de tomar?
Para mí, un agua, por favor.
Y para él, una cerveza.
Y para él means and for him.
Y para ella, and for her.
Y para ella, un vino blanco.
Now, after you order drinks, the waiter might ask if you're ready to order food.
Or they might say, les doy unos minutos para ver el menú.
Les doy unos minutos para ver el menú. I'll give you a few minutes to look at the menu.
Les doy means I give you.
Ver el menú means to see the menu.
Now let's learn about the different parts of a meal.
First, you have appetizers, entradas.
Entradas, appetizers or starters.
Entradas.
Or you might see botanas.
Botanas. This is another word for appetizers, very common in Mexico.
Botanas.
Then you have the main course, plato fuerte.
Plato fuerte, main dish or main course.
Plato means dish or plate. Fuerte means strong.
Plato fuerte.
And finally, dessert, postre.
Postre, dessert.
Postre.
Now let's learn some popular Mexican appetizers.
Guacamole. This is mashed avocado with tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and lime.
Guacamole.
Guacamole.
Guacamole. Queso fundido, melted cheese, often served with chorizo.
Queso fundido. Queso means cheese. Fundido means melted.
Queso fundido.
Nachos. Tortilla chips with cheese, beans, jalapenos, and toppings.
Nachos.
Nachos.
Ceviche. Fresh fish marinated in lime juice with vegetables.
Ceviche.
Now let's learn how to order an appetizer.
The waiter asks, ¿Van a querer alguna entrada?
¿Van a querer alguna entrada? Are you going to want any appetizer?
Van a querer means you're going to want. Alguna entrada means any appetizer. You can say, sí, queremos guacamole para compartir.
Sí, queremos guacamole para compartir. Yes, we want guacamole to share.
Queremos means we want. Para compartir means to share.
Para compartir.
This is important. When you're sharing an appetizer, you say para compartir.
Para compartir.
Now let's learn some main courses. Platos fuertes.
Tacos, the most famous Mexican dish. Soft or hard tortillas with various fillings.
Tacos.
You can order tacos de pollo, chicken tacos.
Tacos de carne asada, grilled beef tacos.
Tacos de carnitas, slow-cooked pork tacos.
Tacos de pescado, fish tacos.
Enchiladas, tortillas rolled with filling and covered in sauce.
Enchiladas.
Enchiladas verdes, green enchiladas with tomatillo sauce.
Enchiladas rojas, red enchiladas with chili sauce.
Quesadillas, tortillas filled with cheese and other ingredients folded and grilled.
Quesadillas.
Una quesadilla de queso, a cheese quesadilla.
Una quesadilla de pollo, a chicken quesadilla.
Mole, chicken in a rich, complex sauce made with chocolate and chilies.
Mole.
Pollo con mole, chicken with mole sauce.
Chiles rellenos, poblano peppers stuffed with cheese or meat, battered and fried.
Chiles rellenos.
Now let's learn how to order your main course.
The waiter will ask, ¿Qué van a ordenar de plato fuerte?
¿Qué van a ordenar de plato fuerte? What are you going to order for the main course?
You can say, para mí, los tacos de carne asada, por favor.
Para mí, los tacos de carne asada, por favor. For me, the beef tacos, please.
Notice we say los tacos with the article los.
In Spanish, you use the article when ordering. Los tacos, las enchiladas, el mole.
Los tacos de carne asada.
Las enchiladas verdes.
El pollo con mole.
Now, the waiter might ask you questions about how you want your food prepared.
If you order meat, they might ask, ¿Cómo lo quiere?
¿Cómo lo quiere? How do you want it?
You can say, bien cocido, well done.
Bien cocido. Cocido means cooked.
Término medio, medium.
Término medio.
Poco cocido, rare or lightly cooked.
Poco cocido. Poco means little.
Now let's talk about side dishes, guarniciones.
Guarniciones, side dishes.
Guarniciones.
The waiter might ask, ¿Qué guarnición prefiere?
¿Qué guarnición prefiere? What side dish do you prefer?
Prefiere means you prefer.
Common sides include arroz, rice,
Arroz,
frijoles, beans,
frijoles,
ensalada, salad,
ensalada,
papas, potatoes.
papas fritas, French fries or fried potatoes.
Papas fritas.
You can say, con arroz y frijoles, por favor.
Con arroz y frijoles, por favor. With rice and beans, please.
Now let's talk about asking questions about the menu.
If you see something on the menu you don't understand, you can ask, ¿Qué es esto?
¿Qué es esto? What is this?
¿Qué means what, es means is, esto means this.
¿Qué es esto?
Or you can ask about a specific dish. ¿Qué lleva el mole?
¿Qué lleva el mole? What does the mole have, or what's in the mole?
Lleva means it carries or it has.
¿Qué lleva?
The waiter will explain the ingredients.
You can also ask, ¿Cómo es este platillo?
¿Cómo es este platillo? What is this dish like, or how is this dish?
Platillo means dish.
¿Cómo es este platillo?
Now let's talk about dietary restrictions and preferences.
If you're vegetarian, you can say, soy vegetariano.
Soy vegetariano. I'm vegetarian. If you're a woman, soy vegetariana.
Soy vegetariana. You can ask, ¿Tienen opciones vegetarianas?
¿Tienen opciones vegetarianas? Do you have vegetarian options?
Tienen means you have. Opciones means options. If you have an allergy, you say, soy alérgico a.
Soy alérgico a. I'm allergic to. If you're a woman, soy alérgica a.
Soy alérgica a los mariscos. I'm allergic to seafood.
Mariscos means seafood.
Soy alérgico al maní. I'm allergic to peanuts.
Al maní, to peanuts. Maní means peanut.
Now let's talk about spice level. This is very important in Mexican restaurants.
If you don't like spicy food, you need to say, no muy picante, por favor.
No muy picante, por favor. Not very spicy, please.
Picante means spicy.
No muy picante.
Or sin picante, por favor.
Sin picante, por favor. Without spice, please.
Sin means without.
You can also ask, ¿Es muy picante este plato?
¿Es muy picante este plato? Is this dish very spicy?
The waiter might say, es un poco picante.
Es un poco picante. It's a little spicy.
Or, es muy picante.
Es muy picante. It's very spicy.
Or, no es picante.
No es picante. It's not spicy.
Now let's practice ordering a complete meal.
The waiter approaches your table.
Buenas tardes. ¿Qué les puedo traer de tomar?
Para mí, un agua mineral, por favor.
Perfecto. ¿Ya saben qué van a ordenar de comida?
Sí, para empezar, queremos guacamole para compartir.
Para empezar means to start with.
Para empezar.
Excelente. ¿Y de plato fuerte?
Para mí, las enchiladas verdes, por favor.
¿Con qué guarnición?
Con arroz y frijoles, por favor.
Perfecto. ¿Algo más?
No, es todo por ahora. Gracias.
Es todo por ahora means that's all for now.
Por ahora means for now.
Muy bien. Enseguida les traigo sus bebidas.
Great. Now, while you're eating, the waiter might check in on you.
They'll ask, ¿Cómo está todo?
¿Cómo está todo? How's everything?
You can say, todo está muy rico, gracias.
Todo está muy rico, gracias. Everything is very delicious, thank you.
Rico means delicious or tasty.
Muy rico.
Or you can say, está delicioso.
Está delicioso. It's delicious.
If you need something, you can say, ¿Me puede traer más tortillas, por favor?
¿Me puede traer más tortillas, por favor? Can you bring me more tortillas, please?
Me puede traer means, can you bring me?
¿Me puede traer más agua?
¿Me puede traer más salsa?
Salsa, sauce.
Now let's talk about compliments. If the food is really good, you can tell the waiter.
You can say, está excelente,
Está excelente. It's excellent.
or está buenísimo.
Está buenísimo. It's extremely good. Buenísimo is the superlative of good.
Buenísimo.
You can also say, felicite al chef.
Felicite al chef. Compliment the chef, or give my compliments to the chef.
Felicite means compliment.
Felicite al chef.
Now, let's talk about dessert. Postre.
After you finish your main course, the waiter will ask, ¿Gustan postre?
Gustan postre? Would you like dessert?
Gustan means you like or would you like.
Gustan postre.
Or they might say, ¿Van a querer postre?
¿Van a querer postre? Are you going to want dessert?
Let's learn some popular Mexican desserts.
Flan, a creamy caramel custard.
Flan,
Churros, fried dough pastries covered in cinnamon sugar.
churros,
Tres leches, a cake soaked in 3 types of milk.
tres leches, 3 milks.
Pastel de chocolate, chocolate cake.
Pastel means cake.
Helado, ice cream.
Helado,
To order dessert, you say, para mí el flan, por favor.
para mí los churros, por favor.
Or if you don't want dessert, no gracias, estamos bien así.
Estamos bien así. We're fine like that.
Or no, solo la cuenta, por favor.
No, just the check, please.
Solo means only or just.
Now let's review all the key vocabulary from today.
El menú, the menu.
La carta, the menu.
Ordenar, to order.
Para mí, for me.
Entradas, appetizers.
Botanas, appetizers.
Plato fuerte, main course.
Postre, dessert.
Guarnición, side dish.
Tacos, tacos.
Enchiladas, enchiladas.
Quesadillas, quesadillas.
Arroz, rice.
Frijoles, beans.
Ensalada, salad.
Picante, spicy.
Rico, delicious.
Delicioso, delicious.
¿Qué es esto? What is this?
¿Qué lleva? What does it have?
Para compartir, to share.
¿Algo más? Anything else?
Es todo. That's all.
You did such a great job today.
You learned so much vocabulary and so many useful phrases.
And the best part is, you can use all of this the next time you go to a Mexican restaurant.
Even if it's a Mexican restaurant in your own city, you can practice ordering in Spanish.
Start with something simple. Para mí en los tacos, por favor.
The staff will be impressed and happy to help you practice.
And remember, it's okay to mix Spanish and English if you need to.
Communication is the goal, not perfection.
Every time you order in Spanish, you're building confidence.
And you're connecting with the language in a real, meaningful way.
Plus, food is one of the best parts of any culture.
So enjoy the experience, enjoy the food, and enjoy practicing your Spanish.
We're so proud of you for learning with us.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing your skills.
Thank you for spending this time with us today.
We'll see you in the next episode of Spanish Made Easy.
Hasta la próxima.
Que te vaya bien.
Adiós.